Most traders stay stuck because they don't actually understand where liquidity is resting in these markets. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how I use liquidity to predict where price is more likely to move before actually entering these trades. Once you understand how liquidity works, these markets start making much more sense and entries start to become more precise. By the end of the video, you'll know exactly how to identify liquidity, avoid getting trapped in those zones, and use it to your advantage to make those take profit trades. Let's get right into it. So the real question, where is liquidity in the market? Well, liquidity is all over the place. We have this draw, this can be liquidity, this can be liquidity, this can be liquidity, over here as well, over here, over here, over here, and over here, and even these highs up here. So the real question, what's the proper one to actually use? Pretty much every single high that you see, an obvious high in the market, this high over here, this is obvious. This is considered a buy side liquidity. Over here, this is an obvious low in the market. This is a better example. This can be sell side liquidity. Over here, obvious high in the market. This becomes buy side liquidity, not sell side. Over here, obvious low in the market. What does this become? Sell side liquidity. Or we can also use this one as well. This becomes sell side liquidity. So every single obvious low in the market, obvious low, obvious high, obvious high. As you can see, the market is like a human lung. As we can see over here, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, sweeping out liquidity, exhale, sweeping out liquidity, inhale, sweeping out liquidity over here, exhale. So markets always like to bounce in between these zones. We push up, sweep liquidity, then we have the momentum to push higher. Come lower, sweep liquidity, have a momentum to push higher. Sweep liquidity, have a momentum to push lower. Sweep liquidity, have a momentum to push higher. That's exactly how these markets move. It's literally like a human lung. So when we're looking in these markets, the first thing that we always want to look at is finding obvious lows. That's where we want to mark out our sell side liquidity. So for example, a very good entry point would be over here. Mark it out as sell side liquidity, because think about it. Everyone that is thinking about taking longs over here, everyone in the world that's trying to take a long over here, where's their stop loss going to go? Their stop loss is going to go right at these obvious lows in the market. So where's the stop loss going to be? Right here. What's going to happen? Price is going to come lower, sweep out all of these long traders, and we're going to get the momentum to end up pushing higher. So that becomes our sell side liquidity. Same thing over here. Everyone that wanted to take longs in the market, where's their stop loss going to go? Where's their stop loss going to go? It's going to go right below this wick. Say they took their entry here. Stop loss is going to go right below this wick. What's going to happen? Markets, they're greedy. It's like a business. Markets are going to come lower. They're going to sweep out all of this liquidity, all the market, all the orders, all the stop orders, technically all the money in the market. They're going to come take it out. Now they're going to become 1,000 times richer, and then they're going to get that push up higher because they have no reason to want to go lower. So hopefully you understand that. Now, when we are actually marking out our sell side liquidity, how do you take an entry off it? First thing, you always want to make sure you are following the trend. So obviously, what's the trend right now? We're in an uptrend. There is no reason to want to be taking sells in this type of market. So what do we see over here? We have a little push lower as like an exhale of a lung. What do we see? Sell side liquidity. Mark that out. Beautiful. Sell side liquidity. Now, how are we going to take our entry? As simple as it sounds. Look for that inversion for value gap. Second we get that inversion, take that entry. Where's your stop loss going to go? Right at this low. And take profit is going to go right at, well, aim for a 1-to-1, right at these highs. It doesn't get any easier than that, honestly. Trading is really not that complicated. Now, another example over here, we have a sell side liquidity. Now, what can we look for as the entry? Well, we can say that this is a manipulation leg, which it is. Manipulation leg. What's up here? Change in a state of delivery. This is our entry. Right over here, stop loss at these lows, take profit for a 1-to-1. That's literally two perfect trades. Now let's look for another one. Let's look for another one. Now, yes, this is a valid buy side liquidity, but since we're in an uptrend, why would we want to be shorting? Obviously, it's not going to work. And as you can see, it didn't. So let's look over here. What do we see? Again, sell side liquidity. Mark out sell side liquidity. What do we see? Inversion for value gap. Beautiful. That's a very nice entry. Not only that, do we have an inversion, we also have a manipulation leg, and we have a market structure shift, which is right here, or change in a state of delivery at the body close, whichever one you prefer. And once again, that is another entry. Stop loss at these obvious lows, take profit right at these highs. Guys, trading is seriously not that complicated. Like, it's as easy as this. So sell side liquidity gets taken, look for that manipulation, look for that market structure shift or change in a state with that inversion, and you can catch that move. So essentially, in a way, you are technically liquidity, because if markets do end up coming lower, sweeping you out over here, then we can possibly use this as a sell side liquidity and then have those markets move up higher. So that's always something that you want to be careful about. And that's why you always need a valid entry point, which would be a inversion for value gap with a market structure shift or change in a state. So guys, I hope this video made sense to you. I hope this liquidity sense makes sense to you. And guys, if you also need help one-on-one, like say for example, you don't understand what market structure shift, change in a state, sell side liquidity, inversion, fair value gap, or you just want to learn my model, I have a link, first link in the description, go check it out. And guys, I have one-on-one trading sessions with you guys. I live trade in there. It's a whole thing. It's a lot of information. I also have some funded accounts down below. Go check them out if you want some discounts. And I hope you guys have a beautiful rest of your day. Leave a like, subscribe. Let me know in the comments what you think. Peace.